Hello guys, this is Hunter Stewart from Hunter Stewart Hobbies. Today we are at Guelph Line in Campbellville, Ontario. Before we get in this video, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, and let's see if any trains will come. Here comes the next scene, roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC train coming down the line. Freaking wind. Time is 5:14 a.m. So what do we got for power? We got 8908, 4085. Autoracks? What could that mean? Where's the manifest? Okay, there's a manifest. Okay, there's the end of the train. Here, let's see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this will be our only train in this video. On to the next scene. Roll it. Alright, this will wrap it up for today's video, folks. The train that I caught was CPKC 134, which originates from the Oak Yard in Detroit, Michigan, terminates at the Agincourt Yard in Toronto, Ontario, and that train was really early today, if you're wondering. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, leave comments, and I will see you in the next video. Hunter Stewart Hobbies is signing off. Peace out, everybody.